Hi guys, people are using AI to hug their beloved ones, such as family members, lover, or pets. These videos are trending and people can usually resonate with them. In this video, I will share easy ways to make AI hug videos free. Let's get started. Method 1. Google Veo 3.1. Open Google Flow. You can find the official access link in the description. Then drag and drop the persons you want to hug into the board. Here I am using an image of a daughter and an image of a mother as an example. Choose Video Ingredients and select Veo 3.1 Lite model. Drag and drop the two images in the dialog. Next, we want to enter the prompt in the dialog. You may customize the prompt yourself. Try to describe more details like where and what is happening in the scene. Then click on Submit. And there we have the AI hug video successfully. There are 50 free credits to use each day. If you run out of credits or tired of writing prompts yourself, try using the next method. Method 2. AI Marvels app. This method is easier and more convenient as you can use it on mobile devices. Open AI Marvels app on Android or iOS devices. Official link will be put in the description. Find the Met You Again collection. Here are various templates to suit your needs. Take this one for instance. Simply import two of your images to generate. No prompts needed. And seconds later, we have the AI hug video here. There are templates for different scenes and occasions. Here is a pet version. Besides that, the app also keeps you updated of the latest trending AI video templates. Feel free to explore more viral effects inside the app. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.